In this video, I will test this RSI MACD stochastic trading strategy. I will also give you a pro tip on how to increase this win rate even more at the end of this video. So make sure to stick around for that, okay? Now let's understand how exactly we're going to be using these indicators to enter long and short trades. So a signal to buy is valid only when we have the following conditions met. First, the stochastic indicator must get oversold, meaning both of its lines must cross below the lower band. Second, once the stochastic got oversold, we're going to be waiting for the RSI, a yellow line, to break above the middle level. Third condition is to have the bullish cross on a MACD indicator. A bullish cross is when the MACD blue line crosses above the orange moving average. And fourth most important condition is to have the MACD and RSI align this way before the stochastic actually gets overbought. If the stochastic does get overbought, the signal automatically becomes invalid. If all the conditions are met, a buy order is placed at the close of the trigger candlestick. The stop loss is going to be placed at the recent swing low. The take profit target will be set at 1.5 times the risk. The rules for entering a sell position are exactly opposite. First, the stochastic must get overbought. This is when the blue and the orange lines cross above the 80 level. Second, the RSI yellow line cross below the 50 level. Third, the MACD blue line must cross below the orange moving average. And finally, by the time these two indicators caught up, the stochastic must not get oversold. The stop loss will be set at the recent swing high, the take profit target at 1.5 times the risk. Here's one more short example. First, we see the stochastic cut overboard. The RSI crossed below the 50 level. And the MACD blue line is below the orange line. Okay. So we've learned the rules for the strategy. As we can see, they're very simple. Now let me show you how we can increase the win rate for this strategy even more. For that, we need to add one more indicator to the chart. So let's type in volume and select this indicator right here. We can access the indicator settings and enable the volume MA in the input section. Let's change the MA length to 30. By the way, the volume is not considered as a separate technical indicator. So if you have, for example, a free TradingView plan that allows only 3 indicators on the chart, you can still use the volume as a fourth piece of your algo. And the reason we need to use this indicator is to eliminate a lot of potential losing trades. For example, we had a signal to go long right here. We see, if we had taken this trade, we would have got stopped out. So in order to avoid trades like this, we need to make sure that we have sufficient bullish-bearish volume in the market at the time we enter the trade. For example, for long trades, the volume histogram must be green and it must be above the moving average. If the bullish volume is not there at the time that indicators agree for a long entry, we simply skip the signal and wait for a better opportunity. The same thing is true for sell positions. We see here we had a signal to go short, but the volume does not confirm it. If you take this trade anyway, it results in a loss. So yeah, traders definitely give this strategy a try and I'm sure it's going to be making you a lot of money. Let's build the setup step by step. So first, let's click on an indicators tab and search for the first indicator, which is RSI or Relative Strength Index. Now we need to make some minor adjustments to this indicator. So let's double click on it. And in a star section, let's get rid of the RSI upper and lower bands. Also, let's untick the RSI background fill. Next, we're going to change the color of the RSI-based MA from yellow to white. And we're going to change it from line to circles. And finally, let's make the RSI line a bit more visible. Okay, the first indicator is ready. Now let's install the next one. So we're going to be searching for a regular stochastic. Let's pick this indicator right here. Let's also access its settings and change the case moving from 1 to 3. And we're going to move it to the top. And lastly, let's install the MACD indicator. And in the star section, let's disable the histogram. Okay, the setup is ready. If you found this video useful, make sure you like it as it really helps with the channel. By the way, if you want to see our best strategies for trading crypto, stocks, and forex, subscribe our channel Trade with Chirag.